Our newest visitor, the one in the background, is a juvenile pied butcherbird. Started coming a couple of days ago, and here in front is one of the parents. Okay, everyone stop feeding, see if he'll call out. This little fella is, here we go, he's learning to call out. Meanwhile, don't feed the young one, I want him to call out. Let's stop for a minute. Come on, little fella. Here we go. And I was already hand feeding this little fella yesterday. I've got photos which I'll put up on Facebook tomorrow, today. But he turned up out of the blue yesterday or the day before, and has already learnt the ways of visiting our place and making sure it gets a bit of a feed. But he won't last long at our place. He'll be told by his parents it's time to nick off and find your own area. So this is a pied butcherbird, a juvenile. First few days out from its nest, it looks like. You can see the colours haven't formed completely. The bib and the neck will go eventually all black like the parent. Now he's going to collect a few pieces, then he'll, like a parent, he'll take a few together and probably fly off into the tree and finish his breakfast in the tree.
HRD 126-piece socket and spanner set with a bonus 55-piece socket set, $199. Plus, check out our huge range of 18-volt bear tools from Milwaukee, Makita, DeWalt, Bosch and Fatmax.
Gonna fly off. It's getting a bit skittish. There he goes. Okay.